costume, you guys. I'm Esmeralda. Yeah? Yes. We are in the bathroom. Girls. Hermione Granger.
Hermione?
Can you talk like her?
I don't think I can.
She has like that.
Harry.
Harry.
Ron.
So anyway, yes. I just got to the party. I was at work. But, yeah. Bye.
Hand hot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The wind is taking it. Oh, no.
It's ridiculous. Really is. But it's also great because something happened. And Krista. Oh look, she even responded and she can't even hear me. Ha! That's funny. I like this thing.
Yeah, now.
This is a ruined haystack. But hey, we got a lot of cool pictures. It's a video! Yay! Wave! Wave! Anytober.
Subway.
Eat fresh.